Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to be removing the gauge cluster in our 1986 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver, and you just want to remove the 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. So let me get those removed and I'll get back to y'all. Alright guys, once you get those 4 screws removed, there will be a throttle cable in the back, one connector, and then another connector. One is just flat and the other one's circular. And to get to those, you just kind of have to pull this back. And I'll show you how once I get to it. But I would recommend having out the AC unit right here to make it easier to be able to grab it from the side right here and pull back. Because I can't get my fingers through here, but I'll just recommend that. So yeah, let me get that out and I'll show you how to. Alright guys, so I got the gauge cluster out. And I got the cable removed. And I got this connector removed. I'll have to take the other one off. This connector, you just slide it off. No clips, no nothing. Just held in by friction. You just pull it off. It has 3 lights up here. And you just take them out by pushing them to the right. And they pop out. And the speedometer cable, you have to twist clockwise. And then it'll come off of this little deal right here. That connects the speedometer. And this is what the other connector looks like. And there'll be the lights over here. There's more lights over here if you want to change them. These top lights are, since I have LEDs for them, they are T10s. And these lights as well are T10, these 3. But the ones down here are T5s, which control your little lights down here. So, and this connector shouldn't have a clip or anything. You should just be able to slide off. I'll have to look at it to make sure I don't break it. But yeah. And the throttle cable is back there. It's right there where my finger is. So let me get the whole thing out and I'll show y'all. So I'll be back in just a second. Alright guys, I got almost everything off. This is as much as I could get off, because I can't figure out how to get this little circular connector off. Like, if somebody could help me, that'd be greatly appreciated. And if you pull on it, it won't come off. Like, I'm pulling a lot of force and it won't come off. And if you can look, it's like there's an extra little, like a piece of steel or something in there.